In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blast a campaign on Klaviyo. First things first, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. It might seem straightforward, but trust me, it's the gateway to unlocking powerful email marketing tools that can significantly impact your business. So, head on over to Klaviyo's website, and right off the bat, you're greeted with the option to log in. Click on that inviting login button to proceed. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. It's your key to the marketing kingdom, so make sure you type in the correct core credentials. Once done, hitting the login button will whisk you away to the dashboard, which is essentially your control room for orchestrating marketing campaigns. Now it's time to dive into the world of campaigns. Navigate to the campaign section of Klaviyo. You'll find it's a repository of your marketing maneuvers, a place where creativity meets strategy. Here, your next step is to click on Create Campaign, a golden button that's your first step towards launching a powerful email endeavor. Crafting a campaign name is where your creativity begins to shine. This name is for your eyes only, so make it something memorable and indicative of the campaign's purpose. After naming your masterpiece, you'll proceed to add the intricate details of your campaign. These details encompass what the campaign is about and whom it's aimed at, setting the stage for the compelling content you'll soon create. Once you've fine-tuned your campaign settings, clicking on Continue transitions you to the next phase of your campaign creation journey. Here, you'll choose who you want to dazzle with your emails. Selecting your audience carefully is paramount because these are the people who will be receiving your meticulously crafted message. Now onto the heart of your campaign, the email message itself. The world of email templates in Klaviyo is vast and varied, offering templates for practically any occasion. However, sometimes, starting with a blank canvas, create blank email, is exactly what you need to bring your vision to life. With your blank template selected, this is your moment to unleash your inner artist. This phase is all about content creation, where you populate your email with text, images, and anything else necessary to engage your audience. It's where your message comes to life, ready to captivate and convert. After crafting your message, you'll be eager to hit next to proceed. But wait, there's more. Before you can send your campaign into the world, Klaviyo ensures you've crossed your T's and dotted your I's by guiding you through final review steps. These steps are crucial for catching any typos or last-minute changes that could make or break your campaign's success. Feeling confident in your campaign? Great. The next step is to decide when your masterpiece hits the inboxes of your audience. Schedule or send presents you with a choice to launch immediately or to schedule for a later time. Selecting Schedule Campaign allows you to pick a precise time for your campaign's debut, ensuring it reaches your audience when they're most likely to engage. And here's a pro tip. Clicking on Recipient's local time zone adjusts the sending time according to each recipient's local time, adding a thoughtful touch to your campaign's timing. This ensures your email lands in inboxes at just the right moment, no matter where in the world your audience is. Finally, the moment of truth, it's time to schedule your campaign. Click Schedule Campaign once more to seal the deal. With that click, your campaign is queued for sending and there's no turning back. Congratulations, you've just scheduled a campaign on Klaviyo that's ready to make waves. Remember, the key to a successful email campaign is not just in its creation, but in constantly learning and optimizing based on the outcomes. Monitor your campaign's performance closely, and don't be afraid to tweak and adjust your strategy for even better results in the future. That wraps up our journey on how to blast a campaign on Klaviyo. From logging in to scheduling your campaign, each step is a building block towards creating impactful email marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch as your digital marketing efforts bear fruit.